To ensure correct use, always read and understand the instructions for use of the Dräger PAS ASV and the utilized components prior to use. The limitations of use and all warnings must be strictly observed. For further questions, please contact your safety officer or your authorized Dräger organization. The Dräger PAS automatic switchover valve enables the user to connect a compressed air breathing apparatus to an external air supply, such as a factory ring main, and be safe in the knowledge that if the external supply were to fail, there would be a safe and uninterrupted transition to the wearer's backup air supply. The PAS ASV connects between the output of the compressed air breathing apparatus first stage pressure reducer and the lung demand valve. An additional input connection is attached to the primary air source, the airline supply. If this supply fails, or the input pressure drops below the ASV switching pressure of 4.5 bar, then the valve will automatically switch to the compressed air breathing apparatus for supply of air. Upon carrying out this function, a warning will sound, alerting the wearer that this process has taken place. The warning will continue sounding until either the wearer leaves the hazardous area and doffs the equipment, or the airline air source rises back above the switching pressure of between 5.0 and 5.8 bar. If the latter occurs, the valve will automatically switch back to the airline source of air and the wearer can continue with the task. During the switchover operation, the Dräger ASV maintains positive pressure within the face mask at all times, ensuring the breathing apparatus wearer is provided with optimum protection throughout the wearing duration. The maximum hose length for use with Dräger breathing equipment is 100 meters per outlet.